AI is making people money in 2026, but most people are still sleeping on it. Here are 10 real ways you can start today. First, AI content creation. You can use AI to write blogs, scripts, and social media posts for clients or your own pages. Second, YouTube automation. Create faceless channels using AI for script, voice, and editing, and earn from ads. Third, selling AI art. Generate unique images and sell them as digital downloads or prints online. Fourth, freelancing with AI. Offer services like writing, design, or video editing, but faster with AI tools. Fifth, AI copywriting. Businesses pay for ads, captions, and emails, and AI helps you deliver quickly. Sixth, drop shipping with AI. Use AI to find trending products and create ads that convert. Seventh, affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools or products and earn commission for every sale. Eighth, AI video editing. Create reels and shorts for brands using AI. Huge demand right now. Ninth, digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses created with AI. 10th, build AI-based side hustles. Combine AI with your skills to create multiple income streams. The truth is simple. AI is not replacing jobs, it's replacing people who don't use it. If you start learning AI today, you can start earning in ways that didn't even exist before. Don't wait, because in 2026, the biggest opportunity is already here.